This is Mary at the.meri.atelier, and I am going to film an unlisted stream where I am following along with making a blizzard journal with Lisa and Tanya in their Tuesday hangout. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the way it's bound. The only thing I would say that I would change if I were doing this differently was if you're using a really strong cardstock, which I did. I mean, look, I creased that several times and it did not crack. That means that it is really a quality cardstock. That's quality paper. I don't know where I got it, but I'm very happy with it. What I would change if I was using this again would be that I would score this. I would actually measure out my lines here, which I think work out to like 1.5 inches. And I would score them, and I would score my corners here because it's really hard to fold, and you can see that in there. So, and I would also say that if you're doing something, if I was doing this again in the same way, I would have at least 3 sheets of this kind of paper. And it really doesn't matter if you have it one-sided or two-sided. Two-sided will just show a different color in here. I don't have much two-sided paper. It's a little bit more expensive, but I really was happy with this. I am really happy with this. What did I have? What was that other quote? Let's look at that, see if I can put something. Let me get out my sheets. I won't do it right now, but what was the other quote here? Love, the best is still to come. That would be nice on the back. I would like to have that on the back. But I'm not going to do that right now because I'm getting ready to call it a day. I'm very happy with how this turned out. Look for another session in, well, it would be June. Let me look here. It will be June the calendar. June the 25th, I believe, and it'll be on Tanya's channel. Tanya, This, That, and Chat. There will be links to it in the description box below. And I'm going to be working on this between now and June the 26th. I might need a gold band right here, a gold strip. I might need some gold. I don't have my gilding pen here, but I'm thinking of putting gold borders on my little booklets here. But let's go ahead and open this up and show it to you. So here it is. I covered my spine with the same paper. I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with how that came out. I have a hairband for the band, and it just slips right on the edge here, like that. So the front and back cover are actually pockets, and I will be making tags or something to put in here. I haven't decided yet. I like the quote here, I'm a beautiful, ambitiously tough woman. So it sounds like I should use quotes or some type of how I survived. But here's what I don't like. My folds in here did not come out nice. And they did not come out nice because it was a strong paper and it was scored. But it's not bad. It's not bad. It isn't perfect. But this is the first one I've made of these. Perfection will come. So and I think I want to put some of these same type of little things that I have on the scrapbook paper here and on here. I have to have 12 of them though, so we'll see. But these are the little pamphlets. I'm very happy with these. I have a white journaling pages and I have colored pages. I'm not sure what I'll do with these. I might just leave them. I'm thinking putting a dictionary page in there, maybe spraying that. I have some markers and I'm going to play more with my sprays, but a spray might look nice on there. Spray will soak through, but I'm not sure that I'm unhappy with that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Kind of got a little loopy knot in there, but that doesn't bother me. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And then I've got the little books just fit right in here. And I've got 6 of them. I got the little tassels coming out. This one needs some help. I didn't cut my paper straight, but I'm not unhappy with it. I'm not unhappy with it. And they have the tassels. I have 6 pamphlets with 6 tassels, and that really adds to the beauty of it. And it fits on the other side. I rounded the corners of each one of my little pamphlets. I rounded the corners. I did not round the corners of the inside ones, though. I might go back and do that as I'm working on it. We'll see. That's not a hard thing to do. That one in there. And the other thing I might do is glue these down. I'm not happy with how they're, but again, that's how they were folded. So, and it may have been pretty if I had a coral tassels, bound it with coral thread instead of black. But yeah, my back one here keeps sliding out, which says to me I might need to tighten this somehow. But I'm not going to be opening and closing this like 80 times a day either. Oops, it's upside down. I did have to trim my pages down a little so that my pamphlets did not extend further than my cover. So I am very happy with this. Here's my tassels. Get them all out here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And here's the band. It goes, no, that one's not out yet. What are you doing? There. There we go. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Tanya. I'll be hopefully watching the next one coming up. So thank you very much, and I will see you on the next page.